In today's video, I'm going to teach you the easiest way to transform a white shirt into a black one using Adobe Photoshop. This is a useful skill for anyone interested in photo editing or fashion photography, as it allows you to visualize how garments would look in different colors without having to physically change the material. So grab your computer, open up Photoshop, and let's get started. First things first, if you haven't already, open Adobe Photoshop on your computer. Make sure you have it installed and ready to go. Once you have Photoshop up and running, the next step is to load the image you want to work on. You typically do this by going to the File menu and selecting Open, then navigating to the folder where your image is stored. Once you have your image loaded, it's time to move on to the next step. Now, with your image properly set up on your canvas, we need to select the white shirt that we're going to change. For this task, we will use the Magic Wand tool, which can be found in the toolbar on the left. Click on the magic wand icon, then simply click on the white area of the shirt in your image. The magic wand tool will automatically select areas of similar color, so your white shirt should be highlighted. If some areas aren't selected, hold down the Shift key and click on those sections to add them to your selection. With the shirt selected, you will need to create a new adjustment layer to change its color. Look to the bottom right of your screen where the Layers panel is located and find the circle icon that represents the Create New Fill or Adjustment Layer button. Click on that icon and then choose Solid Color from the list. A color picker will appear where you'll select the new color for the shirt. Choose black or any shade of gray that suits your preference. This will apply a solid color overlay onto your selected shirt area. If you want to adjust the intensity or blend more naturally with the original image, you can play around with the opacity or blending modes in the Layers panel until you're satisfied with how it looks. Once you're happy with how your newly colored shirt looks, it's time to save your work. Navigate to File, then select Save As to export your edited image. Be sure to choose the file format that you prefer, whether it's JPEG, PNG, or any other, and save it to a location where you can easily find it later. And there you have it, from a plain white tee to a sleek black shirt with just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tricks.